Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of unfriending someone on Facebook using your PC. Sometimes you may want to remove someone from your friends list for various reasons. Let's get started with the simple steps. Step 1. Open Facebook by accessing the website or launching the app. Step 2. Look for your profile photo in the top right corner and give it a click. Step 3. Click on your name to navigate to your profile page. Step 4. On your profile page, find and click on Friends. Step 5. Once you're on the Friends page, go to the All Friends tab. Step 6. Scroll through your friends list and locate the friend you want to unfriend. Click on the 3 dots icon next to their name. Step 7. A menu will appear. Select Unfriend to remove them from your friends list. That's it! You have successfully learned how to unfriend someone on Facebook using your PC. This action will remove them from your friends list, and they will no longer have access to your profile or updates. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Enjoy managing your Facebook friends list.